اجت الحرب بلبنان وهو راح على الهامبتونز، صار عنده بيت بجزيرة برات نيويورك، كان عايش على البحر. بتصير هونيك نهار عاصفة وبينكب كمية هائلة من الستارفش، ما بعرف شو بيسموه، بنجمة البحر. بلشت هالعلاقة مع الطبيعة، هالعلاقة اللي كتير صوفية مع الطبيعة، مش إنه نحن نيجي نرسم الستارفش مثل ما هي. كيف هالستارفش عندها هالعلاقات المخمسة وأضلاعها والقياسات تبعيتها.
أصبح نبيل نحاس مهووس بتكرار الأشكال اللي تحيط فينا، واكتشف أن هذا التكرار موجود في كل مكان، من أصغر الكائنات تحت الماء لأكبر المجرات في الكون. نفس النمط، نفس التكوين، نفس الإيقاع الممتد بلا نهاية. ولهذا نجد أعمال تربط بين عالمين، الأعماق السحيقة والفضاء اللامحدود.
I thought there's potential in the starfish, and I started ordering them because you couldn't pick them up on the beach, you know, and working with them. The first paintings were real starfish. I wasn't sure how they would age. I didn't particularly like the smell. Actually, when I paint with acrylic and it dried, I could actually remove it from the bowl it was being mixed in. I thought, why not cast the starfish? So I made molds, silicone molds of the starfish, and was filling them with very thin coats of modeling paste, and then mounted that on canvas and started the process on this inflected surface, which was, you know, the shape of the starfish. It was interesting because you were making a painting on a three-dimensional surface, so the whole perspective became very different.
The fractal works have a relationship with nature at the microscopic level for sure. However, there is also a clear relationship with the underwater world. The real fascination for me with the fractals is, again, it's this optical movement. So it's the way he is using this strange technique, this strange process, and the scale and the color to bring something towards our eyes. And then what he does is take that further by adding these lines and the glitter, you know, this crazy, again, a crazy combination.